We'll guide you through how to choose themes for WooCommerce, helping your online store look fantastic and run smoothly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Appearance tab on the left-hand side. Click on Themes, which will bring up the Themes page. Here, you can see all the themes currently installed on your site. To explore new options, click on Add New at the top. You'll be taken to the theme repository where you can browse thousands of themes. To make the search easier, use the Feature Filter option at the top. You can filter themes based on layout, features, and even specific subjects like e-commerce. Once you've applied the filters, browse through the options and click on Preview for any theme that catches your eye. This lets you see how the theme might look on your site. Keep in mind, you want a theme that is lightweight and responsive, meaning it looks good on all devices. After previewing, if you like a theme, click on Install, and then activate to make it live on your site. But, before activating, make sure to check the theme's ratings and reviews, and see when it was last updated. A regularly updated theme is likely to be more secure and compatible with the latest WooCommerce version. Once activated, go to Customize under the Appearance tab to tweak the theme settings to your liking. This can include changing colors, fonts, and header options to better match your brand. Remember, a good theme is not just about looks but also about functionality and speed. A fast-loading theme can improve your site's SEO and user experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.